This is how to find a side and a right angle triangle using trigonometry. At the end of this video, there are all the calculator steps demonstrated. So, you are going to be given a triangle with one of the angles and one of the sides, and you have to find one of the other sides. So to do this, your first step is to check your calculators on degrees. A quick check is to do the calculation sine 30 equals, and you should get 0.5. If you don't, you have to put your calculator on degrees. Your first step is to label the triangle sides: opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. Opposite is opposite the angle we've been given. Adjacent is between the angle we've been given and the right angle, and the hypotenuse is across from the right angle. Next step, we have to apply the correct formula. It'll be one of these three, but which one is it? In this case here, we're trying to find the O and we've got the H. So it's O and H. You look at these three for the pyramid containing both O and H, which is this one here. This one's got a H but no O. This one's got a O but no H. So it must be this one, and we write it down. Next step, fill it in. Next to the O we have a X, so that goes there. Next to the H we've got a 12, so that goes there. And the angle we write in the bottom left. Last step, do our calculation. Sine 28, that's what that means, times 12 equals, and that's your answer. On this one here, same steps. Label O because it's opposite the angle we've been given, A because it's between the angle we've been given and the right angle, and H because it's across from the right angle. So we're trying to find the H and we've got the A. H and A. The only pyramid with both H and A on it is this one here. Write it down, then fill it in. Next to the A we've got 8. Next to the H we've got an X, and we've got the cos of 40 degrees. Last step, do the calculation. 8 divided by cos 40 equals, and there's your answer. So why is this one a multiplication and this one here a division? If the X is on top, we multiply these two. If the X is at the bottom, we go top divided by bottom. Last example, label our triangle. This side here is O because it's opposite the angle we've been given. This is A because it's between the angle we've been given and the right angle. And this is H because it's across from the right angle. We're trying to find the O and we've got the A. O and A. So we use this pyramid here. What's next to the O? An X. What's next to the A? 4. T stands for tan of 70 degrees. Remember, the degree goes in the bottom left. Do our calculation. Tan 70 times 4 equals 10.99. To check our calculator setting, go sine 30 equals, and we should get 0.5 and we don't, so our setup is incorrect. To fix that, go shift, setup. We want degrees, which is 3. Let's try that again. Sine 30 equals, which is 1/2. Convert that to a decimal and it's 0.5. For example 1, we want sine 28 times 12 equals. For example 2, 8 divided cos 40 equals. And for example, in example 3, tan 70
times 4 equals.